So now I'm going to be using a lightening mask. It's a modeling mask. So it's good to finish it off with a mask which is also cooling, and also it's for brightening the skin. We will now start with our natural lightening modeling mask. Before that, we need to use the Histo lightening cream mask. We put it on for 10 minutes. On top of that, the gauze, we will put the modeling mask. Since I'm doing it on myself, let's see how it works out. Just to show you, I'm gonna put this mask for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we'll mix our modeling mask, and then we'll put the modeling mask on top of this with gauze. Okay, 5 minutes. Let's prepare for our modeling mask. Take 1.5 tablespoons in a bowl, tablespoon of water. I have the gauze here. Now I will use the HistoLab Hyaluron Complex. This has snail mucin in it. Then we will take the White Science Whiteness Lightening Serum, and this is for brightening the skin tone. It has Giga White Complex extract in it, which comes from 7 different kinds of alpine flowers. Then we will use the Mila X cream. It also helps brighten skin tone, revitalizes the skin. Premium eye cream. It's moisturizing and it is good for fine lines and wrinkles. End it with our sensitive sunblock, which is SPF 50. Voila! Thank you guys. See you again next time. Watch out for our new reels. Thank you.